How to see who shared your reel on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Navigate to this reel icon. With that you will land to the reels page. Now here you're going to find different reels. At the right corner of the reel you're going to find different icons. Along with those icons you will see the share icon, and below that you will find the numbers. So this is the reel shared number. At the moment, you are only able to find the reel shared number, or you won't be able to see who shared your reel on Instagram. So you can open up the reel, click on the reel. Below share icon, you will find the number of the people who have shared your reel. If in the future Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But as of right now, you are only able to see the number. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.